3 to develop and sell AI-powered products and services. To develop and sell AI-powered products or services, such as chatbots, virtual assistants, or language translation software, you will need to have a good understanding of the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning, but you can definitely make money with ChatGPT. Here are some steps you can take to get started. Learn the basics of AI and machine learning. Start by learning the fundamental concepts and techniques of AI and machine learning, such as supervised and unsupervised learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. There are many online courses and tutorials available that can help you get started. Get hands-on experience. Next, gain practical experience by working on projects and experimenting with different AI and machine learning tools and frameworks. This will give you a deeper understanding of the capabilities and limitations of AI technology, and help you develop the skills you need to build your own AI-powered products. Identify a problem or opportunity. Identify a specific problem or opportunity that you want to address with your AI-powered product or service. This will help you focus your efforts and ensure that your solution is tailored to the needs of your target market.